Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do a gaming test for the Google Pixel XL. So it's same for Pixel and Pixel XL because both share the same specs. So the idea behind this video is to find out how many games do you launch or you can play with the Pixel XL, so that when you resume the game will be exactly in the same place where did you left that last time. So, and I did have some other phones too. So guys, it's not about will not be checking whether a game is lagging or not, because I can play as faulted. Just take an example, on a 512 MB device works fine, and I can even play on a 6 gigabytes RAM device, so both works pretty much fine here. But since this is a Nexus of Pixel phones which has a purest Android, so definitely there should be some advantage. So I have some set of apps here. So totally there are 6 games: Subway, Step Run 2, Dead Trigger, and Asphalt Extreme, Asphalt 8, Modern Combat. So we'll launch games one by one, and we will try to see till how many games this phone responds to resume the game normally. And guys, before you do that, make sure to watch one of my previous video in which I have done the same with the Lenovo Vibe Q5 Note, and that was excellent. That phone has just MediaTek processor and that performs very well. So we'll start our test here, starting with the Subway Surfer, and we'll quickly launch and play for a couple of seconds, and we will minimize that and jump to other that. And also make sure to watch some comparison stuffs with the OnePlus 3 Pixels and the Nexus and the 6P. I'll put the video here in the description. So it goes fine. We'll start Temple Run 2. So device is recently rebooted. There is no other apps running except the games that we are launching, so that gives you a better idea. So we will test what's the memory management for this phone, how much games it can keep in the memory. So we didn't see any things in terms of launching, so pretty much fine. So we'll just resume to Subway Surfer, exactly on the same position where it should be. So till 2S work fine. Let's launch Dead Trigger 2. So we'll start from here. So just moving. Let me just move the green circle first. Alright, now time to switch to some other games. Let's see what is the condition. Subway Surfer, exactly same position where we left it. Alright, jump to Temple Run 2 back again, same position. Back to the Dead Trigger 2. So it is in the same position, right? So let's add a new game here, and we'll add Asphalt Extreme. Let's see whether the device can handle 4 games or not. So we started playing here. Now let's see whether we can jump to some other apps here or not. So starting again with the Subway Surfer, exactly same position. So Pixel is holding till now all the 4 games. Temple Run 2, exactly same position. That's great. Now let's go to the Dead Trigger 2. So same position, fine. We'll go to the Asphalt Extreme again. So all games have the same position, so that's great thing here. Now we'll try to add one more game, say Asphalt 8, which is one of the heaviest game you can get on the Play Store on the Android right now. So it's time to jump to some other apps, and before that we should check how much is the memory consumed here, so that you can get here on the memory. So it says here 1.9 gigabytes still free, total 3.7, 49% is used. That means we should have enough memory, 2 gigabytes of left, so we can easily launch some other games too. Alright, let's jump to the Subway Surfer, same place. That's really nice. And Temple Run 2, same place. Dead Trigger 2, same place. Asphalt Extreme, same place. Time for Asphalt 8, it's also on the same place, guys. So that's still now Pixel XL is holding really great in terms of that. And let's see memory, how much is the left in the last 3 hours. pretty much fine. It's not showing any updated data. So again, going and checking 1.8 gigabytes consumed. So we'll now add one more game which is called as a Modern Combat 5. Let's see whether Pixel can hold all the 6 games together. So game is working fine till now, and let's see. So now it's time to resume to some games, and let's see. Kill this bastard first. It's gonna kill me. Okay, so before we jump, let's see how much is the memory left for usage. So it's not showing updated data. We'll go back here, and so still 2 gigabytes is free. I don't know why. Before that it was 1.8 gigabytes. Anyway, now it's time to do resuming tests. See Subway Surfer, and the game is reloading. So that's what is the poor memory management. You can see still the system has this 2 gigabytes memory free, as you can see, but still the Pixel is reloading the game. I don't know why. That should not be the case. So that happens here. If I start and try to do I bet this should be reload too. See, it's reloading. So, and still if I go and check out the memory again, let's see what's going on. So it shows average memory use, and it's in average right now. It's not showing the exactly memory used by apps. So how much these, you can see these apps are not taking that much memory, just 341 MB, 17 MB, Xfold stream just 8.9 MB. So if game is running, it's taking about to 400 to 500 MBs. Still you can see quite a bit of memory is free, still is not able to do. So Temple Run 2 is loading again. So that's very poor guys, because that's why I said try to do the same. Watch my previous videos of Lenovo K5 Note. All the games I launched 4 games together there, and it has only 3 gigabytes of RAM, but still all the games are in the memory. So not an issue, all the games were resuming perfectly. That Trigger 2, so it's also reloading. So I bit feel disappointed here. It should not happen, because that's Pixel and Nexus brand phone. They are purest Android and should be better memory management too. See, all games are reloading, trying for Xfold stream. So it is here in the memory. Okay, Xfold 8, it's here in the memory. Modern Combat 5. Something weird with this, trying to reconnect that even though I am on the proper network connection. So it's there. So we did felt that all the bigger games like Asphalt, Modern Combat 5 and this 3 all in the memory, but the smaller games are moved out. So if I just close one game, I guess Modern Combat 5, and try to resume other games, so I should be there in the memory, that I'm sure for that. This time memory is about 1.9 gigabytes free. Now if I resume Subway Surfer, it should be there in the memory. You can see is there in the memory. All right, Temple Run 2 is there in the memory. So guys, we concluded that, and we found that when you try to reload some heavy games, say still the phone has near to 1.9 to 2 gigabytes of RAM free. Still Pixel is trying to push the game out of the memory and just keeps only high memory intensive, you know, like Asphalt and Mortal Kombat 5. So I'm not sure about the reason what it could be, but we can see that. But guys, make sure to watch my video that I have mentioned, that Lenovo K5 Note, all the games on the memory. So there should be a point of contradict, like does the period stock Android is really great in terms of memory management and all. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. This is Saurabh. I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching.